Welcome to Microcode Software YouTube channel.
So first thing first, I suppose that you have already opened your WordPress account and you have a dashboard already opened in your WordPress website. So now the tip that I'm going to tell you are super simple. They are all about plugins and how to use them. So first of all, before we get to give you any tips, you have to know what kind of website you are doing. So the first thing is to get a template that will help you go for the design that you are into or the subject that you are going to talk about. So to do so, what you have to do is click simply on the appearance button that you will have on your dashboard and click on themes. Right after that, you can click on add new button through here. And then here you can search for any theme. And don't really have to write the name of the theme. Of course, you will not know any theme by now. So just type, for example, sport. So here we go. I have typed sport, and they will give me all kind of different template of sports. Sports e-commerce, sports news, sports blogs, different kind of template that can actually satisfy your desires or satisfy your the appearance that you are looking for. So here are all the designs that might you like. So for example, I'm going with this one. What I'm going to do is simply install it, and now I will have to activate it, and it will be now ready to go on my website. So activate, and here we go. Now let's talk about the second tip. After you download the template that you're willing to have on your website, the template will be empty on your website. So as you can see here, this is how the template is looking like at the moment. So it is kind of empty. So what you'll have to do is simply download all the plugins that will have to come with this template. As you can see here, once you download the template, they will tell you that this theme recommends the following plugins: Hotel Bocalize, Maison Demand Porter. So here you have to click here to begin the installation plugins. So let's click here and the plugins will start to install. So here we go, install and apply. So here it is and they will be installed. So let's give them some time. So guys, I have now downloaded both plugins, and as you can see, I still have this kind of message which says that the plugins are currently inactive. Which comes to our second or third tip for today. Sometimes you get to download a plugin on your WordPress website and eventually you don't really find it. It is there, you search for it, it is installed. You go to the plugin section and you click on add new. You search, for example, for Elementor as an example. Here we go. And you find it here. You can't really download it since it is already downloaded. So what should you do in case you didn't find it? Simply click on installed plugins and then click on inactive, and here in the section you will find all the plugins that you have installed and they are inactive. Make sure to activate all the plugins that you might need. So here I am going to select these two since my template needs them, and then I'm going to activate both of them. So here we go, and now they will swap here from 7 to 5, and this active 5 will swap to 7. So here, as you can see, let me go back to this stock plugins, and here you go. So now we are done with this tip. So now if we clicked on visit sites and we went into it, here as you can see, in case you didn't have any plugins, if you clicked on customize, you don't really have the ability to customize literally everything here. Everything will be really limited. They can't add pictures from here. We can't readjust anything. So what we can do in this specific position is download some plugins that will help us spread our page and website. In that case, I really recommend you guys to download Elementor. I've made a lot of videos about Elementor extension, Elementor tips and tricks. Make sure to check that out after this video ends. So here I'm going to click on add new and then do the same thing. Search for Elementor, download it and activate it. So we've been through this process. So I'm just going to open Elementor here, as you can see. And here what I'm going to do is actually create a new page, which I'm going to edit. So I'm going to click here. And from here, I'm going to click on this button, which is Edit with Elementor. So just to give you an idea generally on how to use Elementor. So Elementor can save time a lot for you guys. Simply, not even by looking in this menu, don't look at this menu which is in the list. Just look in this section. And I will click here. Look how many blocks and pages you have just to drag. You can simply choose whatever, for example this one, insert, wait some time, and here it is. It's as simple as that. It's like so easily to make a page using Elementor. You don't have to have like any background in programming. You don't really have to get any background at anything. You just have to get a mouse, get Elementor, tune out of it simple as you'd like, and here you go. You just have to drag and drop it and it will be good to go. So this is for Elementor and how to design our websites. Of course, there's much more options. Here, as you can see, you can drag images, buttons, icons, portfolio, form, pricings, and much more. So these are all yours to use and to play with to make your own ideal website. And now, guys, I'd like to make you discover a plugin which will help you in your e-commerce website. In case you would like to create your e-commerce website, WordPress is the one to go for. It has the best e-commerce plugin in the world, which is WooCommerce. If you don't know about WooCommerce yet, it is the best at the moment. It has literally everything. It has so many extensions and it is for free. So here are the extensions that you can have with e-commerce or WooCommerce. There is plus 34 page and each page has 4 and 5, 6, like 4 and 6 lines. So they have hundreds and hundreds of plugins in this or extensions with WooCommerce. You can literally satisfy everything. They have 816 extension, 73 themes, 2,500 documents, and extra 1,294 of other stuff that you can have. So everything in here is with single plugin, which is WooCommerce. Using WooCommerce, you can actually create, add product, make login interface for your visitors, add checkouts, cards, make a card, make a store, add coupons, code, and much more. And this is all with this single plugin, guys, which is WooCommerce. So these are all the tips that I have for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.